G'day, this is ATV Rider. Today I'll be checking out the Auxito Smart Electric Pump. Now this was sent out to me to do a test and review and share my findings. I do have an affiliate link in the description below, and I do get a small kickback from any purchases made from that link. Also have a discount code ATV Rider for 15% off. Having said that, this will be an honest review. If it's no good, I will let you know. Let's open her up and have a look, shall we? Oh, if I can get in there, here we go. User manual. There's the pump itself. So it says it weighs 1 pound, which is about 500 grams. I nearly said kilograms. Yeah, very nice. Peel off before use. What else we got in here? Okay, a couple of different connectors, one for balls, one for mattresses. Yeah, there's a couple of different adapters there. We'll leave them in the packet for now so I don't lose them. We have the hose, carry bag, charging cord. Very nice. We better have a quick look at this. Probably have to charge it up before we can use it. Rightio, she's all charged up. We've had time to read the instructions, so let's have another look at it. Press the power on button for 3 seconds. She's on. You can turn the pressure up and down that you want to set it to. Now it has these different modes, so it's on car at the moment. That's motorcycle. That's bicycle. That's sports balls, and that one is custom. So these modes have default settings. 32.5 for the car. Well, that's probably what I just set it on. I think it was 30. Yeah, I think it was 32 for the car, 40 for the motorcycle, 38 for the bicycle, 8 for the sports ball, and 100 for custom. I don't really see the need for these different modes. I don't think it pumps any different. What's it sound like? That's car. Yeah, they have different like upper limits. Personally, I'd be happy with it just to have the pump, and you set it to what you want. So yeah, it's got the torch, flashing torch or flashing light, flashing red light. So that'd be just emergency if you broke down in the dark. You could have a flashing light there. Right, the other thing is it's a power bank, so we can plug that into there and then into my phone. There we go, it starts charging. So that can come in handy too. Righto, now to use it. Push this in and turn. That's it, it's locked on. So I'll test it out on my old spare wheel. I've broken the bead on it. This pump's probably not meant to be seating beads, but we'll see if it can do it anyway. If you get a flat and need to change the tyre, you may need to reseat your bead, so we may as well test it out. Righto, hold that on till, here we go. We're on 40 psi, we'll see if we'll set it to that. Definitely not what it's meant for, but it does it. Now I'm assuming once it gets to 40 it will shut itself off. We'll find out. Oh, that's really impressive. In the bag. Might as well put the charging cord in there too. Now, where's this going to go? I've got a nice spot right there for it under my seat. There's a link in the description below if you want to buy one. Check out their website, whatever. Yeah, so far I'm impressed. Any issues, I'll let you know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.